Today I am going to show you a painting that didn't quite go to plan. So yes, we will be painting, but the final result isn't really worth showcasing. What I actually want to talk about in this video is this. When you make a mistake, stop working and start fresh on a new sheet of paper. And believe me, even I struggle with this sometimes. What often happens is that somewhere during the painting process I make a mistake and then I try to fix it. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. But in practice, the best choice is to discard the painting after the first real mistake and start over. It's a bit like buttoning up your shirt wrong from the top. Once you're off, it's usually impossible to set it right. This painting was supposed to be a misty landscape. I took the reference photo during winter in Austria. I started wet on wet, trying to keep the trees soft and barely suggested. Just lightly breathed onto the paper, hinted at rather than defined. The main focal point was meant to be a rustic wooden fence. But my values came out far too dark, and the background especially lost that sense of fog and atmosphere. So what could I do? I tried washing over it lightly with a thin mix of white gouache. That did create a foggy effect and brought back some of the atmosphere. Then I went in and painted the foreground a bit more concretely, adding some definition. But when I step back and look at the painting, I still see problems. For instance, the hill in the background should be much less defined. It needs to recede further into the mist. On top of that, the logic and the perspective of the wooden fence just don't work. I also keep struggling with finding more simplicity in my work, painting less detail, suggesting more, and spelling out less. And so, right at this point, I'm stopping. I've decided to leave this painting unfinished. Sometime next time, I'll try the whole thing again from scratch. Do you struggle with letting go of a painting too? Let me know in the comments.